Okay, your mission, if you so choose to accept it, not your homework, before class is to watch this very quick video, as you clearly already know because you're watching it, and do one of two things. One, watch it if you haven't used Google Docs before and or you want a quick refresher on how to use and edit in Google Docs, then watch this video to give yourself some baseline knowledge so that when you come to class, you'll be ready to play and take some risk and try out the tool. And watch this video for some quick tips. Or if you are comfortable in Google Docs already, then post on the blog post where this video was posted. Sorry, comment on the blog post where this video was posted on either additions to what this video, so other tips for users of Google Docs that this video might have missed, or ideas on using this tool with adult learners if you have any. So those are your two options for the homework, and I'm going to go through the basics. So let's say you've been given, so let's say I got this emailed to me, a link to this Google Doc. Okay, so I'm going to copy that and go to my browser, and I'm going to paste that link. And I am in the Google Doc. So this is what's called a Google presentation. It's the online version of PowerPoint, basically. And you'll notice that I'm not logged into Google right now. So this document is wide open and accessible to anyone who has that crazy long link. So you'll notice that this is what we call our sandbox. This is just a presentation that we've used for playing in, but the link that you'll get in class will be a document that you actually have some time to edit and play with. So if I go into my slide that I know I have for myself, there we go, I can start playing. So I can just click here to edit text, not text. So you can type in a Google Doc. I can edit the size of the text box. I could delete a text box if I wanted to. I could add a new text box if I wanted to. I can change my font. I can increase the size of my font. I can double click that to edit it. I can bold it, italicize it, and underline it. And the other things I can do are put in shapes if I want to. And I can probably change the fill of that. Yep, there we go. Okay, that was the fill color there for a shape, so I'd have to highlight the shape. And then I could change the fill color, line color, so that's probably the outside of it. I could probably make that line weight so the line around the outside of it much thicker. And oh, that's where I just was. Or I could make it dashed. Oh, that's kind of neat actually. Never done that before. I can use bullets and numbered lists, increase indent, decrease indent, align left, right, and center. I can make a line on the page. So I can insert a video if I want. And I can, like a Google. So here we go. I could insert a link to, here we go, Google Docs in plain English. And move it down there. There we go. So that in my presentation is a video. Okay, and I've learned something new today. If I want to insert an image, so I can put a video in, I can draw shapes, I can add text, I can do all the different things that I wanted to do before. But if I want to add an image in, I have to actually be signed into Google Docs. So I'm going to sign in. If you don't want to, you don't have to, just don't put an image in. So I'm going to sign in. And now that I'm signed in as myself, I am going to go back to my slide, and now I have this image icon, and I can either grab an image and from my computer and drag and drop it, and we'll let it upload. There we go, another lesson learned. So it's too big of an image, so let me try and find one. Okay, let's try that one. And there we go. And I can either, oops, so I can either make this smaller, or I can make it the whole size, and then go to arrange, and send to the very back of all of that. So there you go, now I have a video. Maybe we'll move the video up here, move our circle down here, and my text there, and my line over. There we go. All set. So those are the basic functions of editing Google Docs. Let me go to, oh, one thing is changes save automatically. So you don't need to save anything at all. And just a reminder that this is a collaborative work environment, so different people are editing different pages at the same time, and then when we all come back to it later, we'll all see everyone else's changes. So it's really important to stick to the assigned slides. So if you were told to work on one slide area, then just work on that one, because if you start working on other people's, you might overwrite their stuff or delete their stuff by accident.